Hey guest, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today we're cheesing it up over here at the Rodgers House. You want to know why? Stay tuned. So guest, we want to celebrate our community of friends, but first I want to congratulate the host, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and Glam Elegant Living on their fantastic milestones. They have invited a community of YouTube sisters to co-host with them, and the Rodgers House is one of them. And I will link all of our channel info down in my description box so that when you finish watching my video, you can go over to see what these phenomenal creators have created to inspire you. I want to encourage all of us to continue to let our light shine and to be encouraged in producing phenomenal content. Here at the Rodgers House, we want to celebrate our loyal subscribers as well as our new subscribers. When I started on this YouTube journey, I really didn't know where it was going to take me, but God did, because He has the plan. So guests, we want to take a moment to celebrate you for helping the Rodgers House reach a new milestone of 400 subscribers. Guys, thank you. I am truly grateful. So with that being said, the Rodgers House wants to send a little love to all of you. So enjoy the video to music. So guests, just a quick tip when you're preparing a charcuterie board so that your guests will know the names of the cheeses that they are about to eat, just simply cut out the names of the cheeses from the original packages and tape those to the back of a toothpick and stick them in the cheese, and then they'll know which cheese they're about to eat. So guests, thank you so much for joining in with us today to help us celebrate these beautiful milestones. We truly do appreciate it. And please go over and watch the playlist, because these beautiful creators have created some beautiful content to share with you today. And to Anna and Lady Allie for hosting this collab. thank you guys so much for bringing this community of YouTube sisters together to help you celebrate your milestones as well as us celebrating ours. If this is your first time visiting, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning guest, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.